the future isn't coming. It's already here. And the craziest part, AI is shaping your life in ways you haven't even realized. From the videos you watch, to the jobs you'll qualify for, to the opportunities you'll get or miss, artificial intelligence is quietly steering your future, and most people are completely unaware. Today, we're pulling back the curtain. Let's start with something simple. You open your phone, you scroll, you click, you watch. Feels normal, right? But behind every tap, every swipe, every recommended for you suggestion, there's an AI system predicting your next move. It knows what you like. It knows what you avoid. It knows what keeps you awake at 2 a.m. And slowly, without you noticing, it shapes your habits, your opinions, your decisions, and eventually, your future. This isn't science fiction. This is your daily life. Here's the truth. AI isn't just helping you. It's deciding for you. Think about it. Job applications are filtered by AI before a human ever sees them. Banks use AI to decide who gets loans. Universities use AI to evaluate student performance. Companies use AI to choose who gets promoted. Social media uses AI to decide what you believe is normal. You might think you're in control, but the reality is, AI is quietly making choices that shape your path. And the wild part? Most people don't even question it. Let's talk about the illusion of choice. You think you chose that video. You think you chose that product. You think you chose that opinion. But AI recommended it, and you followed. Not because you're weak, but because AI is designed to understand you better than you understand yourself. It knows your patterns, your fears, your desires, your weaknesses, and it uses them, not to harm you, but to keep you engaged. But engagement has a cost, and that cost is control. Now let's talk about your career. In the next few years, AI will decide which skills matter, which jobs survive, which industries grow, which workers get replaced, and which ones rise to the top. I isn't just changing the job market, it's redesigning it. If you're not learning new skills, if you're not adapting, if you're not paying attention, AI won't just influence your future, it will limit it. But here's the twist. AI can also open doors you never imagined. The people who understand AI, who use it, who collaborate with it, they're the ones who will lead the next generation. Let's clear something up. AI isn't evil. It's not plotting world domination. It's not trying to replace humanity. The real danger is something much simpler. We stop thinking for ourselves. We stop questioning. We stop analyzing. We stop choosing. Because AI makes everything so easy, so convenient, so personalized, that we forget how to think independently. And that's when control slips away. Not because AI took it, but because we gave it up. Here's something most people never consider. AI doesn't just shape your choices, it shapes you, your beliefs, your worldview, your confidence, your goals, every piece of content you consume, every notification you receive, every digital interaction you have. It all feeds into a system that learns who you are and then reinforces that identity. If you're motivated, it shows you more motivation. If you're insecure, it shows you more insecurity. If you're angry, it shows you more anger. AI doesn't judge, it amplifies. And that amplification can change the direction of your life. Is AI controlling your future, or are you? The truth is somewhere in the middle. AI influences your path, but you choose how much power you give it. You can let AI decide everything for you, or you can use AI as a tool, a powerful one, to build the future you want. The difference comes down to awareness. Once you understand how AI shapes your world, you can take back control. AI isn't the enemy. Ignorance is. The people who thrive in the future won't be the ones who fear AI, but the ones who understand it, question it, and use it wisely. Your future is being shaped right now, not by fate, not by luck, but by the choices you make in a world run by algorithms. So the real question isn't, is AI deciding your future? It's, are you paying attention?